We have recently learned that the English Inspectorate will be introducing a vocabulary task into Module E as of winter 2020. You can then become familiar not only with the Band 3 core word list, but also with the fact that learners will meet their standards when they, for example, use digital media. One very good way by means of which you can teach vocabulary and have your students review and even be tested on vocabulary is by using your Ministry of Education Moodle platform. Remember that you can request as many Moodle platforms as you need for free from the Ministry of Education. You can bring into Moodle as many resources that you find in the net as you think fit your purpose. To help you see the advantages of using Moodle, I will use a Moodle platform, a Moodle site that I created to share examples. Please remember that this is not an official video created by the English Inspectorate at the Ministry of Education. I am just a teacher of English, like you, trying to help all of us reach our goal. You can use Moodle to create a test so that you get results. It is perhaps better to start with something that is already available in the net. For example, the VOA English Challenge. No less important, well, you can introduce new words from the list one by sharing, for example, another VOA site where you have different new words. It is a good idea to create a Moodle book so that you teach as many words as you want from the Band 3 core. For example, the word achievement.
Welcome to the Voice of America's Newswords.
The company SpaceX launched the Falcon Heavy rocket into space in February.
Achievement.
The successful test launch in the state of Florida was a major achievement for SpaceX.
In order to create these examples, I have used the following Moodle resources: a Moodle URL, like this one, and a Moodle book. Among other items, the revised English curriculum stresses the fact that there are principles underlying the integration of information communications technology, ICT. Using Moodle is a great way to integrate technology. Thanks very much for your time. Goodbye.